Hi Bhushan, how are you?
I'm great. I'm doing so great.
Welcome to my channel. This is Bhushan Khernar with us in my channel. He's a motivational speaker, transformation coach, and corporate trainer. He had like transformed around 2 million life in 8 years and work in selling industry. And one day his life drastically changed due to some accident where he got physical challenge, and he is also a great Josh talk speaker. So give him a big hand and clap from him. He is with us, and he will share his story with me. And welcome Bhushan, and thank you for joining me. Yeah, so
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. It's a great pleasure for me actually.
same here, Pooja. So we would like to know about your journey starting from childhood.
Particularly talking about childhood, I born in Malegaon Taluka of Maharashtra, means from Nasik district, Malegaon, which is
Okay.
very famous place for, you can say, power loom, city of power loom. And my childhood was very funny, and it was full of some many naughtiness, you can say, many adventurous, you can say, because I was very famous in my school for doing all activity. I was the only guy who was a part of sport also, cultural activity also, and he was the rank point holder in his class also. So you can imagine, I was like a student of the year also. So that was
Great.
my childhood days, and I was lucky to have my great family because whatever I'm today, just because of my mother, father, and big brother. Because my father is a teacher by profession, and the person is already trying to give a shape to the this entire community. So he'll be that much concerned about development of his child. So I got very good atmosphere in my family in my childhood. And after that, I did my schooling in Malegaon only, but for 11 12 I went to Nashik. I did my 11 12 in Nashik, and after that, I was a part of MIT College, Pune,
Great.
which is a rank one holder engineering college from private from all over Maharashtra. So I was a engineering student of MIT, and that time only when I was in second year. So at the time of going to my home, I was traveling by train. So near to Manmad, the incident happened in my life. But before that accident, again, I will mention one point. When I did my 12th and I was in first year, so I was always such a person who always wanted to, who always like to be a extraordinary person. Means I never like to be an ordinary one. Even if the people, those who are becoming part of this session, those who are watching this session right now, I would definitely suggest them that try to always be an extraordinary person by doing something extraordinary activity. Because I always say that it was a moment when in my first year I was looking for something extraordinary, and I started doing direct selling industry. Means I was a part of direct selling industry. But during that, my all of friends were like they were going to college, they were enjoying things, they were going out doing some all thing in our teenage we do, you know, that many more funny things which everyone do. But I was also doing most of the thing, but I was doing something extraordinary.
So
And you know,
you
as I was doing something yes, yes, Abhijit. You know, as I was doing something extraordinary now, they all were laughing at me because I was different. I will repeat my sentence. They all were laughing at me because I was different, but I was laughing at them because they were totally same. So these are like a punchline for my life. I never wanted to be same like other. I always wanted to be a different one because in this competition we need. So I was a part of that. I worked there for 6 months, and after that only during journey, I had one. I was moving by. I was traveling by train, and suddenly due to it was passenger actually, and when expressway has to pass away, so passenger has to wait pause for few minutes. So it was there for more than 1 hour. So everyone was out of train. So we all
okay.
were out of train, and at the time of getting back to the train, my hand got slipped away. I fell out of the train, and the train passed away over my right leg actually. And that moment only, almost the entire leg got broken into more than, you can say, 10, 15 parts, you can say. So that time I became physically disabled. So this was my journey till that moment. Abhijit, what you would like to say, or should I continue later?
Okay, so what was in your mind at that time when this incident happened? Because like this type of incident will change your mind drastically. So what was your in mind
Yeah,
that
yeah.
time? Yeah. that you want to do?
Honestly, I will not try to pretend myself like a superhero, Superman. But honestly, I would say before that incident, I was a part of direct selling industry where I was a part of a team. I was a leader of a team. I was training them every Thursday. I was training them every Sunday. I was taking their get together. So I was a leader over there, and every week I was teaching them how you have to be a leader, how you have to be a positive person. So the
Yeah.
person who was telling people since last 10 months about positivity, leadership, taking things as an initiative. So that person will never get immediately distracted to this incident. But still, I won't say that only as a superhero. For a few minutes, many questions were there in front of me actually, because suddenly this thing happened, and in my mind, actually before that only I had planned many things for my parents. Means I was different guy, extraordinary one. So I had planned that I will do this, that I will give a car to family. In very less age, I would like to give the home also, property also. I would like to take them throughout the country, even if out of India. So suddenly, when this incidents happen, so it was not like, oh, what about my leg? I lost it. It was about what about my dreams? What about my future things? How I will be doing that. It was not like how will I walk, how will I run. I was not that much conscious or curious about my leg or my physical movement or locomotion. But I was so much curious about what will happen about my dreams, my target, my passion. Because what will happen about it? Because that was the main question. And even if for a few minutes or for a few hours, I would say I was into a deep negative place of thinking where I was questioning myself. But still, there was a 50-50 seesaw game in my mind, like, yes, you are a leader, you can, but you have to accept reality. You don't have a leg, you can't run, people will not take you normally, you will be having lots of limitation. But it was a seesaw. Even if the person who will be at me instead of me, so he may have the 80% negative situation.
Yeah.
Sorry, I got a call. So
Yeah.
he
Yeah.
may have 80% negative situation and only 5%, 20% positive. But I was with 50-50, not that much. Okay.
Yeah. Drastically, your future picture, like it's like a movie. It's all got distracted. So that type of
Right,
thinking you had.
right.
So what one thing happened, like to motivate yourself at that time when you have, and what at that point what you are thinking about if you don't have leg, so how you do many things, like go to like a stand, or you have to go move to any with the help of others. So what happened after this incident, so that we want to know exactly, means what
Yeah,
obstacle you face after this incident.
yeah. One thing I would say here, thoughts will make you or thoughts will break you.
Break.
So
Yeah.
I will give you a message like, really, it's not in our control to control our thought, means to have a control on our thought. I will admit it very honestly, because that time, though I was not I never wanted to think like, but still thoughts were coming. Means a person with one leg, means society will accept me or not. Will I be that much freedom person or not? Will I be that much self dependent or not? Because my target were never about doing job or doing some normal thing. I was always dreaming for something big. And the person who has to do something big, he has to do so many things extraordinary. He has to run throughout a state, throughout country, even if throughout the world. Because opportunities are like that. At 9 p.m. in night, you will be coming to know that opportunity is there at 10 p.m. So you have to reach place. Even if it is about other state, then just within 6 hours by flight you have to reach there. So that time this question were honestly coming to my mind, how the things will be. But I won't lie that in first few hours or few days of after my accidents, I was a really a neutral person. You can say like positive, negative, positive, negative. But still, I will share the positive thought with you, because there was a friend with me when I got this tragedy. Means when that train passed away over me, then train stopped. That friend came, he helped me. I will be very thankful to him. His name is Mr. Vinod Pandey from Malegaon. He's one of my friends actually. So he helped me on a very right time, because people were not coming to me to pick me up and to lift me up and to keep me in a train to next treatment and all. But he came. So that time when we were passing in that moment, so he was talking with me, Bhushan, don't take tension, everything will be fine. So what I answer him, that I know now, right now I would like to share. So that is a part of my positivity. Even if I was negative in that period, even if I was more negative, but still the answer which I gave, I told him that in my training, I'll just give you an example of Abraham Lincoln, who was having brain tumor. I always give an example of Sachin Tendulkar having tennis elbow. I always give an example of Amitabh Bachchan having injury in fully picture. I always give example of Yuvraj Singh about cancer. We have all these examples, and these all people were having some medical twist in their life, but still they prove themselves. So I said them that like Abraham Lincoln, Sachin Tendulkar, Yuvraj Singh, Amitabh Bachchan, one new chapter what is going to see, and that is the chapter of Bhushan Kherna. So this was the answer by me. You can talk to Vinay also, but that was the words by me actually. So that was my positivity. But still, that confusion was going on, and when I got hospitalized on the same day, one good thing which I did is throughout the day they were giving me bloods, and they were trying to maintain my blood pressure because they had to operate me for my leg. So throughout the day I was into the thinking, but when evening they decided to operate me at 7 p.m. So then I decided, I asked my brother, I took a page and I write the name of a book, and I told him that just bring this book to me, because the way I was in a training surrounding, motivation surrounding, I was knowing that now, as looking at this tragedy, I would have to be, I had to be there in a hospital for more than 20 days. So that should not be a reason of my negative mind. This was my expectation. That should not be reason. So that's why I told my brother to have that book, and he gave me, and that book kept me busy. This was the scene actually, Abhijit.
Okay, so one book you read and that changed your entire life. So what that book's name is? Means we want to know what is that book.
Here I will be mentioning the point like which book I read is not that more important, but I read book on a right time, that is more important. To be very honest, I will definitely tell you the name of the book, no problem. It's not like a big secret, but still, what happened now? Then people take it like, okay, this book changed the life. No, not like that. Reading habit changed, like being busy with the book changed my life. And yes, book is also awesome one. It is very important to change your mindset. The name of book is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad Poor Dad. You might have read that book. People will
Yes,
I also read it, but I never feel like. So I want to say that it's not about which book you are reading. You are reading book on a very right time.
Right,
Because the situation was like many people were coming to me and they were trying to cry, make me cry. They were crying in front of me, and this after this entire incident till now, I will tell you, not for a single time I had tears in my eyes. Not for a single time. I never cried about this incident, even after losing my legs. Even if people get very much shocked that when I had this accident, when train passed over my leg. From that moment till my operation, I was completely alive with my eyes. It was not for a single minute that I was completely, that बेशुद्ध जिसे हम बोलते हैं, मैं पूरा बेहोश हो गया था. It was never like that. Completely alive. I was seeing everything by my eyes, next eyes. That was the skin, I would say. And book means what? Yes, by book by Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad. That was the book. But I mentioned this. That book made that book kept myself busy into the thing. That book kept myself busy into it. Abhijit.
Okay. So what word defines you as a Bhushan Kherna?
What
words
me is like,
define?
I got it. Unleashing myself on a regular level. I really love doing that. I love to unleash myself.
Okay, 1 minute.
Unleashing. It is very important. Just.
The battery got distorted. Yeah.
It's okay. So the word is unleashing myself. Unleashing the real potential. It's not a word, I know, it's a phrase, but still, every moment, every hour, every day, I always try to unleash myself.
Okay. So what did you learn from that phase of life? Yeah. What did you learn from that phase of life? Like,
what I learned from that phase of life is that, there were many possibilities that I could have said that why God is playing with me only, why this happened to me only, what was my mistake in that, how I would be it is possible that I will restart in my life after the incidents. And if in last incident I was not the reason, then also God played with me. Then it can also possible I will restart and again after 5 or 10 years some bad will happen. So these were the possibility which could have came in my life. But I never thought likewise, because I would suggest one thing what I learned in many time in our life, things are not in your control. Few things are like they are universal one.
Yeah.
Few things are universal one. But at least you can be so much focused about the things which are in your control. Like should I means losing my leg is was not my choice, was not my mistake. But after that, how to live my life, that is my choice. And being disabled physically is not the big trouble. Even if people are mentally disabled, I never feel bad about my disability. I'm very proud about it. I should not be proud, but I'm proud about this thing that after being disabled, I consider myself not disabled. I consider myself as a specially able, because I'm specially able by other view of the thing which I can do. I can look at the people, those who don't have the 2 legs, 2 hands, still they are doing great. So God has just taken only 1 leg from me. That, and that is not the God, even if that's the coincidence, you can say. Abhijit.
Yeah. So what was your biggest mistake that people should avoid?
What was my biggest mistake? Oh,
Any biggest mistake
my biggest
कि
mistake is
जिससे
like,
लोग कुछ सीख सकते हैं?
do you proud yourself? मेरी मिस्टेक, यस, गलतियां तो पहली चीज तो मैं कहूंगा कि गलतियों से भागना ये बहुत बड़ी गलती हो सकती है, बिकॉज मिस्टेक्स आर अ बिगेस्ट लर्निंग फॉर यू. So you should always welcome mistake, I would say. And particularly about me, what was the mistake is like, you should be always open with all opportunities. What I did is like, I was confined, I was current with particular one thing, one industry only. I would say that no, you can do one thing, that we should be always open to all opportunities. Few people are doing job, so they have decided like I will do job only for 6 years. Though it's your focus, but at least for 1 hour in a day or for 4 hours in a week, you should be open for something other than the job. As I was a part of one industry, so that time it was possible for me that weekly 4 hours or daily 1 hour, it was possible for me to be open for other opportunities than this particular industry. This was one mistake which I did, honestly, I would say. And Abhijit, this is for the first time where I'm sharing my mistake, to be very honest, because really I have done very less mistake, but still, and when you ask na, it is coming from my heart, because that's reality, that's the only mistake which I did.
तो मैंने
And everything is going so great.
मैंने कुछ अलग निकाल लिया आपसे.
Yes, really, you have. There is no single interview on the entire Google or any program where they ask me or where I shared my mistake over there. But really, I would say be open with the opportunities and give 1 hour in a day or 5 hours in a week for something other than your regular profession. Yes,
Right, definitely. So tell me, like I'm also from sales industry, and you said you had been from this direct selling industry. So which company and what you are doing there? What was your thing there? That industry, selling industry.
As per the protocol things, I would be allowed to take the name of.
No problem. Yeah.
But I will be definitely explaining what I was doing. That was a system where educational software were there, and I had to sell educational software and the development program on the particular company. And I joined this part at my age of 18. I feel very proud about whatever I did over there, because I was there to learn, I was there to convey, I was there to help the people. And I learn over there, I convey many messages over there, and most importantly, I help many people over there. Everything has a plus and minus point. But I know one thing, that my purpose of doing that thing has been completely justified in my that activity, to be very honestly. And particularly about sale, I would say that it will not be wrong, but if you really want to be an extraordinary person, then everyone has to be good at sales. But sales is not a very difficult thing. It will be so extreme thing that if I will say that this earth is somewhere the business earth is just revolving due to sales only. If I'm not wrong, every business is working on the service or product selling. Either you are selling your service or you are selling your product. So if you're good at sales, then only you can have that revenue coming in your particular organization, either your or your particular company where you're working as a job. So
Correct.
I would say that people should change their perspective about selling, that everyone is not good at sales. Everyone can be good at sales. And if you are not good at sales, I always give two examples, Abhijit.
Yeah.
When we born on this earth, so that time we learn how to speak, we learn how to stand, how to walk. A person who can learn speaking, talking, walking, then he can learn selling. Just he has to understand that all the small and tiny factors of the sales. But people have that encode like thing, though no, I don't have a head of sales. Everyone can. Just has to change.
Yeah,
Abhijit.
yeah, definitely. So, where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? Where 5 साल के बाद कहाँ रहेगा भूषण?
5 years
Where
down
you
the
will-
line.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know where Bhushan will be, but I know one answer where world will be. This world will be with new, this is my target actually, with new 2 million people impacted by my help of motivation, coaching and training. So within this 5 years, the world will know, and these 2 million people from the world will definitely have my services of these all the things. Because whenever I write some target on my diary now, I never write a target for myself. I write a target by the angle of other people. It may have risen with my personal things, but still, I always write for the global perspective.
Great, great, great. Hello.
We will talk about vacant keynotes and all. So this is my target about the 5 year down the same line.
Right, right. So, what
Yes.
is success mean to Bhushan?
Oh, what is success mean to Bhushan? For me, when someone is giving any of his personal opinion, so that opinion can be right in his own terms, but can be wrong for someone else. But if you have asked for my concept or my concern only,
Yeah.
so I would see the success means achieving your target within limited period of time and having freedom for the things. Money
Oh.
can't buy happiness, I know, but money can help you many freedoms, and freedom can give you happiness from many things. Like if you are
Right.
free, then you can do anything. So my success point is not about money, because what has made me youngest Lakpati at the age of 18 and youngest 1 million achiever by Indian rupees at the age of 2021. So the question is not about at the age of 20 only, 21
Great.
only. Okay. So,
Great.
but success for me is like achieving next target within limited period of time with freedom. Actually.
Yeah. So,
This
how
is
you
success for me, and I would suggest everyone to have some target, achieve them within time and freedom.
how you
Go
been
ahead,
to
Abhijit.
how you been to this industry, because people don't know coaching industry, and I'm also like more than your age, and I didn't find this line easily. So how you get into this motivational corporate and coaching industry?
Right.
Miss, you have any
The
mentor or
motivation
how?
was like that.
how
To be
you-
very honest, I was good at. Yes, I would say.
Yeah,
First thing I will admit that since my childhood days, I was good at speaking. To be very honest, I was good at speaking. I was a part of every elocution competition of the taluka, district, of my school, every. So I was good at speaking. So it was nothing new for me. I won't say that I was zero at speaking, but I was good already. But particularly about motivation, already I was having this aspect that कि यार खुद के लिए तो जानवर भी जीता है, लेकिन जो दूसरे के लिए जी सकता है वही इंसान होता है, जो दूसरे के लिए कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकता है. A person who can contribute for some other people, that's the human being, that should be his kindness. तो ये thought हमेशा दिमाग में था, and I was looking for some opportunity from where I can help people. So when I became part of the selling industry, that time I did one very good decision. That I will suggest everyone that you must have mentor, coach all the time. All the time, I would say. And Abhijit, I would recommend you that when I would say you that tell you that when I was of 18, that time only I got an opportunity where I was having an option of having mentor. I was having an option of having mentor, and that was a source where, due to that source, the mentor will be helping me on a regular basis. But for that, I have to spend more than 20,000 in 2012, 11 only particularly. And my family were not able to pay that much effort the things for me. But somehow I took help, I borrowed the thing, and I had that mentor at my, and he was the NIT Manet topper. He's a very great person. Now he's at a very senior post of very good company actually. But I will definitely take his name because his reason for everything. The name is Mr. Pankaj Joshi actually. He's from Bhopal. So he, due to that source also, but he was trying to nurture me, cultivate me at every moment of life. And that made me a very random one or very passionate one or very, and if you'll ask about coaching, so when I got cultivated by him in a very finest way, that time only I got a point like if he would not have been there in my life, then what I would have done. So the role of his watering or his nurturing was so much important. So that time only I decided the same role I would like to play in a life of many people, and that role will definitely play very much and very important role for everyone. So that's why that time only I decided to be as a coach, and I started doing it since long time. And pandemic has evolved my coaching profession at a very great level because due to pandemic people were alone, and I helped them to achieve their target to solve their problem. Abhijit.
Okay, so you had made any goal for future, like you have mission of transforming n number of people. So do you have any targets and goals for that?
Right. Yeah, I told you that. Means what this figure is? The figure is all about 2 million people within 5 years.
Okay.
That's the only thing through all the sources. And I'm keeping myself, for you, I would like to say that many people are doing the coaching training with their job or business. Even if I have my family business of export, and my family export business has started export office at Dubai recently, last week only.
Wow, great, congrats.
That is this has an open door. Means they are always, and they are like my big brother is like, he's very talented than me obviously about business and all, but still he knows that the power of two brothers together is what. So he always welcome me. But my personal goal of family business should not enter for my target of helping other people. So I said no to him. So now I said him that yes, you are there wherever you want my help, I will be there, no problem. But my focus will be toward this only, helping people by my coaching motivation. Means last 3-4 days ago, his license and Dubai office came out. I will have my own address in Dubai also, where I will be having office of my export also and coaching and the knowledge industry also. Right now, my brother is in Dubai. He's in Dubai since last 20 days. So he will stay over there only because export business is expanding at a very great level. Abhijit.
Okay, so last question is there. So what one thing you want to say to viewers who are watching this video of yours?
Viewers which are watching this video, the main message I have already conveyed, but still I would like to repeat it. 3 things I would suggest you should definitely take care of. The first thing is your atmosphere. On a very first note, I would say about atmosphere. If someone is talented but not in good atmosphere, any bad thing can come to him. So I would suggest that be in such an atmosphere where you are surrounded by the person who are earning 5 times more than you, which if it is not about earning, who are successful 5 times more than you. You can be a part of a club or group or the fraternity or anything where n number of people are there. And for that, if you need to pay, then also you should, because that amount is nothing in front of that atmosphere. This was the one point.
Correct.
Second point I would say that really work a lot about your thought process. If you can, try to work a lot about your thought process. If you can control your thought process, you can control everything. And I know every individual on this earth has a potential of becoming the most transformational person of earth. The reason, the way, the source, the industry can be different, but everyone has potential. Someone will be like, I don't have memory, I don't have this, that, but still everyone can. Because the good news with our biological species is what? We are made with the possibility of revolution. Means what? From monkey we have been evolved. So it means that on our biological level, there is a possibility that you can evolve yourself in any skill, about any learning, about any industry. Just do that. The first one is about atmosphere, second one about thinking, and third one is very, very, very important. I would say, keep on improving yourself every day and be calculated. Means people improve themselves, but if they don't have a calculation, so they will be only positive with themselves. But as per the calculation, after 10 years, they will realize that yeah, I was improving, but I can see no progress in terms of money or in terms of some career expansion or what. So I would say that have a calculated improvement in your life. Abhijit.
Okay, thank you very much for inspiring people who are watching this video, and thank you for giving us a time. I want people who are struggling in life or any inspiration required, so they can contact Bhushan. He is a motivational speaker, he is a transformation coach, and any corporate want to contact him, I will share his number below this video, so you can contact him. So what's last thing I want to ask you? What do you think about Abhijit Meshram as a coach?
Before you asking, I was about to say the same, because when you said that, I was about to say, I was just waiting for your sentence. You will get, as soon as we'll get completed, I will definitely say. Abhijit is very good friend of me. I know him very personally, and you know he's a kind of that person. It is so if he is very concerned about putting things regularly, and I know personally as a coach he has a different sense, and that sense is really useful for the people, and as a coach also he'll be definitely helping him. So Abhijit has that very good idea, and because one more thing I will say, that he has worked in corporate, so the corporate work adds some extra cherry on the cake of his life, you know. Means the person who has worked in corporate can help you with a very good way, because he has face many things personally in corporate. So I would definitely suggest that Abhijit is an awesome guy. You can definitely contact with him, and definitely you will be having very good values from Abhijit.
Actually, my net was unstable, so we miss initial points. So if you can repeat initial 50 seconds, then it will be fine.
Can I repeat the entire one?
You can, if you remember. Because
yeah, I remember it. So
yeah.
Actually, Abhijit, the thing is like, before you saying this, it was already there in my mind, because it's real. When things are real, then you don't have to wait for someone will ask and then I will answer. It was there in my mind that yes, Abhijit is very awesome personality. Already is an extraordinary, because we are part of our circle, and from the entire circle, he is the only person who is doing this extraordinary step about helping people by taking interviews of number of people. You can see on the channel. So this shows that how consistent he is, how noble or how kindness he is having, and he has a good corporate experience, and as a person he is helping people by giving his best, because from his daily life he's taking time for others. It means that he will definitely help you if you go for any of the program by him, and definitely this program will add many values in your life if you go by the coach Abhijit Meshram.
Thank you, Bhushan. Thank you be with me, and it's been pleasure spending time with you. Thank you very much, Bhushan. Yeah.
Welcome.